How you guys doing? It's Papa Gleb here, coming in again. This is a Dexter challenge lock from Texas Gym. I was planning to do that other ASA 600 I had, but this green tag just kept jumping in my eyes, and I figured, you know what, it's okay, the ASA can wait. I received this from the lockpicking lawyer. I'm not sure if you got it from Jim initially or if it was passed on. I'm sure Jim will inform us of it. But either way, let's get this thing clamped up and we'll see if we can get into it. Okay, here it is clamped up. Here's the key. Here's your beading. Works very smooth. Music car tension wrench. Peterson hook. Let's see if we can get this thing open. Now with challenge locks, mainly threaded chambers, you need to make sure everything drops because a 5-pin core can easily turn into a 2-pin core. Alright, number one. Those 6 and 5. That was another little nudge. Nudge on one. Oh, we got a nice full set here. I'm getting something, some counter rotation on 2. I got him. Very light tension. Oh, let's see. See, maybe giving us a little something there. Something on 6. Everything else feels pretty good. I think that's the number. That's the number 2. There we go. Yep, that was the number 2. Alright. I'm gonna get this out the way. Don't move. Bring you guys down a little bit. Yep, stay here. Okay. Alright. I have the key, so I am gonna lock this up. Well, actually, no, I won't. I already took off one of the screws just to make things a little faster. I hate these flat head screws. They're so annoying. Okay. Knowing that it's Texas Jim's lock, I'm just gonna use a shim. You know, just to be precautious. And it looks like it's already caught on something. Okay. Let's hope for the best. No. Doesn't want to go. Pretty rough exit, but it's coming, so. Okay. Alright, let's see what we got here. Well, number 1, number 2, number 3 and 4, 5 and 6. No surprise, this is Texas Jim's lock. We'll look at all of that closer up in a moment. This might be a little bit harder. I'm just gonna let them pop out and then grab them as I go. Sorry, 1. Oh, sorry. Wasn't sure how that was facing, but I think like this. Everything's falling on me today. Let's get that one out too. Still trying to get my groove back. Second video from my comeback, so bear with me. This year that I haven't made videos, I have been still active in the community and the hobby. So I have okay, that's, I don't want to miss that order. That's number 5. That's number 4. That's number 6. Different springs. Sorry, let me fix these up and I'll take a closer look. Hope I'm in frame on this. Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, this is Texas Jim, alright. Serrations all around. Okay. Number 4 looks like a commercial. I think it was like this. Makes sense. And number 5 also looks like a commercial spool. This looks very interesting. I'm not even sure how to describe that. All the chambers are threaded. You can make that out. Looks like they're hard to say. It looks like they're threaded all the way through. Maybe except 3 and 4. Let's take a look at this. And yes, of course, Everything is threaded in here as well. I don't know, let me see if I can get you guys a shot. Yeah, you can see it's all threaded in. Yeah. Alright, so when he threaded them, the metal rose up a little, and I think that's what was the issue with getting the plug follower in. This is also epoxy to gluten. I'm not sure why, but something was done here as well. Oh, yeah, I know why. To get to the chambers, he went through here. You could even see there was a slot there. That's how Dexter got the pins in. Alright, well, here you have it. Where's the key? Here's the bit, and give you another shot at that. Alright, like I said, I got this one from Lockpicking Lawyer. Thank you very much for the lock and for the work and for watching, subscribing. And I know I left you guys off last year with pancake locks. I didn't finish the series, and there is actually a story, a very weird story, if I may say that, if I may describe it like that, as to what happened. So I'm gonna find a moment, get back on the track on that, and definitely finish the series, because I know a few of you guys are interested in seeing that. So like I said, over this year I've gathered a lot of interesting locks, tools, and whatnot. So hopefully I'm gonna be filming all of that as things go. Thank you very much. Take care.